was at this moment during my hike to an active volcano in Guatemala that really made me think, how did I get here? And the more I thought about it, the more I realized it was actually quite simple. You see, it's been my goal to cross out as many things on my bucket list as I can. And while the younger version of me would have made up a list of reasons of why I shouldn't, I figured there would always be a million reasons not to do something. And if there is a better time than right now, my knees would probably hurt by then. All I'm saying is that when there is an opportunity, consider taking it. You never really know if it'll ever present itself again.
Yeah! And the volcano was sick!